math in a way. So if Pascal is spelled like this in this diamond, if you start at the top and the only way that you can do go is moving down on diagonals, then how many different ways can you spell Pascal? So I'm going to actually write right over this, and I'm going to use red. Red's bold. See if that works. So one way to write a P. And then one way to write this PA or this PA. Okay? And you know what? I kind of cheat. I go all the way down the sides first. But do not continue to go in, because the triangle should look like this. Again, we saw this in the previous one. So the ones wouldn't be on the A's. Now we add 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1, I get 4. I get 6, I get 4. And then we have 10 and 10. So the total number of ways of spelling Pascal or rooting through this word Pascal is 10 plus 10. All we do right here at the bottom is we add these two. Okay, so 10 plus 10, there are 20 different roots. Therefore, 20 ways. Okay, now we can also count paths on a checkerboard. So let's move diagonally and up, but we cannot go through the square, or sorry, through the X. This is kind of where it gets complicated. So I'm going to try blue, so if you can see that better. So here's our checker. I'm going to write ones on the sides of what the triangle would be. This right here is upside down. If I did this on a piece of paper, I'd personally rotate the entire paper. So I was writing it down so it flowed, because that's always really how we do it. Like we write it from the top to the bottom. So just try to follow. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 3, this one's fine because we can see both the left and the right number. I get 4. And this one's fine as well. I get 4. Now this, we cannot go here. So we do not put a 6 in here. We just leave it. Let's see how we can, if we can keep going. So 1 plus 4, I get 5. Now, we would treat this as like the side of the triangle. We would just simply bring that 4 here and write it again. And here, again, we would bring that 4 there, write it again, because again, we're treating this as like the side of a new triangle. We would bring this 4 here. Because there's only one way from getting from this block to this block. It's like the same way. So we just keep the number 4. Now, again, this is again like a new triangle, so the 5 goes here. But this one we can add, 5 plus 4, we get 9, 4 and 4 is 8, 4 and 4 is 8. So therefore, if we're looking at the number of ways we can get to the opposite side, we would just have to add up this entire row. Okay, so 5 plus 9, we get 14, 8 and 8 is 16, I get 30. So therefore, 30 ways.